Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dina Prasetia Nuri. My ID number is 2021222026, and I'm part of English Education Department in Siliwangi University. In this video, I want to share about narrative paragraph. What is narrative paragraph? Narrative paragraph tells or describes a story or an event, such as novel, account of one's life, or social event. The story or events in narrative paragraph should be arranged chronologically or time order, that is in the order in which they happened. Narrative paragraph is to illustrate or demonstrate a point, to entertain or to make us understand something. Therefore, a narrative paragraph must have 5 points. 1. A central idea, or what the story or event is about. 2. Characters, who it's about. 3. A plot, conflict, complication, climax, and resolution of the story. 4. Adequate description. And then settings, when and where the story happens. 4 basic of narrative paragraphs. 1. It reveals something of importance to you. 2. It includes all of the major events of the story. 3. It uses details to bring the story of life. 4. It presents the events in a clear order, usually according when it happened. Common time transition. What is common time transition? Common time transition in the narrative paragraph, such as before, after, first, next, second, then, finally, while, etc. Organizing a narrative paragraph. A narrative paragraph has 3 parts. 1. The background information. 2. The story or event. And then the conclusion. 1. The background paragraph. The background information sets the scene for the audience. It includes the following piece of information, such as a topic sentence, what story or event it's about, who it is about, when it happens, where it happens, where is the source of the narration. The story or event. The beginning of the story tells what happened first in the story. 2. The middle of the story tells the main events or important activities of the story. And then the end of the story, the result or what brings the end of the story. And next, the conclusion. It is a concluding sentence. The writer can either restate the topic sentence, give a concluding, make a prediction about the story, or make a suggestion. And here is the example. From the example, the topic sentence in sentence 1. It tells the purpose, that's what the writer will write about. The background information from this example includes sentence 2 and sentence 3. Sentence 2 tells what the story is about, and when and where it happens. Sentence 3 tells the source of the story. The story comprises of sentence 4 to 15. Sentence 4 and 5 tell the beginning of the story. Sentence 6 until the 11th, which is the middle of the story, tell the main events happen in the story. Sentence 12 until 15 tells the end of the story. And then sentence 16 is the concluding sentence. It restates the topic sentence. Alright, maybe it's enough. I'm sorry if there is have so many mistakes. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.